guys, so today's video is going to be my Christmas decorate with me video. Majority of my decorations I've had for some years, but I'll try to let you guys know where I got each piece in a voiceover. You'll hear me. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about anything, let me know in the comments. And yeah, if you want to see how I do everything, then keep on watching. So the main place that I decorate in my house, you guys know, is my fireplace. And as you can see, I still have my Halloween decorations up. So I have to take those all down, clear it out, and then make room for my Christmas tree. I thought I was going to be able to move this chair by myself, but I had to call in some assistance to help me. So I'm going to put up my tree, and I got my tree last year from Home Depot. It is I think it's a 7.5 foot tree if I'm not mistaken. I really wanted a 9-foot tree, a big fat 9-foot tree, but my husband said it wasn't going to fit in our living room because our ceilings are kind of low. So I got this one instead. So majority of these decorations that I'm putting up are from Big Lots. I've had them for a little while, but yeah, I'm pretty sure I got majority of them from Big Lots, except for these stocking holders that I'm trying to put up that keep falling down as I'm putting up my garland. Those are from Target. I got those this year. I thought they would work because it's kind of hard to hang up stockings on my fireplace. So I tried these and they worked eventually, but I was struggling a little bit, as you can see. You see, eventually the stocking holders worked. So now I'm going to switch out my pillows. I'm going to add some red, and I'm going to add a throw blanket that I got from Home Goods onto my couch for a little bit of pop of color. Now what I'm doing is weaving my tree with some ribbon just to make it look a little bit fuller. And now I'm putting these little flowers that I purchased on Amazon. I thought the flowers were going to be a lot bigger than what they were, but it'll work this year. And now I let my boys help me by putting the balls on the tree. And now I'm going to put the skirt underneath my tree. This skirt came from Big Lots. And now I put this little sentimental piece that I bought from Etsy. It just says something about saving a spot for someone in heaven here on earth. And so I also have this little motorcycle that represents my dad as well. And then I try to put his picture in between it and try to make it cute. And I have a little ornament that also has his name on it. So I just put that, try to put it up there as well. Now for a few decorations in my kitchen, I like to change out my dish rags that you don't use and on my stove. I got these dish rags from Home Goods. Now I'm going to switch out some things in my little coffee bar area. I'm going to take out these black cups and put them with these other red Rae Dunn cups that I got from Home Goods. And then I'm going to put some other decorations that I got from the Target $3 section in their store. And then I got this ornament hand soap, also from Home Goods. So I wanted to do a little bit more with my table, but this is all that I have for now. But I got this runner from Home Goods and all of the decorations that I'm putting on it as well from Home Goods. And then this little countdown to Christmas, I think this came from Big Lots. Lastly, I'm going to put my little Christmas town on my counter, and these also came from Big Lots. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys.